43 quintillion is the number of permutations in a Rubik's cube. To put this into perspective, if a cube is assigned to a permutation and lined up one after another, it can orbit the Earth's surface 275 times. If it is stacked one upon another like a tower, it goes up to 261 light years. But an amazing fact is that the cube can be solved between 20 to 30 moves on applying certain algorithms. The original 3 into 3 cube became a foundation for building many other 3D movable items using the computerized methods. This toy of the year has its own world championships, its own learning programs, robots built to just solve this. Now the cube has different variants like 2 into 2, 5 into 5, or even 17 into 7 and even 33 into 33. It even has different shapes like tetrahedron called pyramids, octahedron, dodecahedron called megaminx, isocahedron called dogic. Most of us were curious about how to solve this cube. There are many tutorials on solving this, but in this video we look into the history of the Rubik's Cube and some amazing facts on this toy that made the world crazy. Hello guys, welcome to Details. This is D. Here we'll try to tell you everything we learned in detail. So let's go. Before starting this video, please do hit that subscribe button for more amazing content like this. Erno Rubik was an architecture professor from Hungary. He wanted to help his students solve 3D problems, so he built something. This is now popularly called as the Rubiks Cube. He created the movable art piece and displayed the prototype in 1974. He added 54 colors to the 6 sides of the cube. When he built his first cube, even he couldn't solve it. It took him over a month to solve the cube. Even he didn't know that his magic cube, which was its earlier name Buoskoka in Hungary, would take the world by storm. In 1975, he patented the magic cube as a puzzle. It soon became very popular in Hungary, but it didn't go to the outside world. Import and exports in the communist Hungary were tightly controlled. He had realized the potential of his product, so the solution was International Toys Fair. He participated in International Toys Fair in London, New York City, Paris. In 1979, it was spotted by the toy specialist Tom Kramer. He soon understood the potential of the Magic Cube. He convinced the Ideal Toy Company to distribute the Magic Cube all over the world. But they wanted a change, a new name, the Rubiks Cube. It was globally launched in 1980 and rest is history. Initially, the sales weren't that good, but it was when the Ideal Toy Company launched the TV advertisement campaign, the sales skyrocketed. By 1981, Cube became a worldwide craze. It hit millions of sales, but it became more notorious for being unsolvable. Then, a 12-year-old boy changes people's perspective. He released the book You Can Do the Cube in 1981, which sold over 1.5 million copies. Rubiks held its first world championship in Budapest in 1982, where Min Thai was the inaugural winner, making the first record of 22.95 seconds. Even the Museum of Modern Art in New York City selected the Rubik's Cube for its permanent collection. Then, Rubik's launched a new puzzle, Snake, later Magic, whose millions of units were sold. Even Homer Simpson played the cube in his show. In 1995, Diamond Cut International created the most expensive 3 into 3 fully functional cube, completely made of different gems to mark the 15 years of the Rubik's Cube. This is by far the most expensive 3 into 3 cube in the world, which is worth over $2.5 million. The cube was featured in many movies in Hollywood. In 2009, new record was set by Braden Valance with the average time of 10.74 seconds. This record was beaten by Michael Pleskovics in 2011 with an average time of 8.65 seconds. In 2014, Rubik celebrated its 40th year anniversary. The first ever dedicated museum was opened in New Jersey. Empire State was lit up with the Rubik's colors. Next, the new world record was set by Lucas Etter in 2015, which was of 4.9 seconds. Some people even solve it by their legs. Some people even solve it blindfolded. The Rubiks Cube program, and You Can Do the Cube program became a STEM accredited program. There is the largest cube in the world, weighing 100 kg and 1.5 meter tall. The smallest cube is 6 millimeters. A robot named Sub 1 Reloaded by Albert Beer made a world record by solving the cube in just 0.637 seconds. Nowadays, many people are doing mosaics using the Rubik's Cube. SDMIT Cubers, a team from SDM Institute of Technology, Ujire, led by Prithvish, made a world record for creating the largest dual-sided Rubik's Cube mosaic, measuring 14,981 square meter and involving 4,500 Rubik's Cubes. They depicted Charlie Chaplin's face on one side and Mr. Bean's on the other. Another team led by him, consisting of 293 cubers from Mangalore, made the world's largest mosaic of a tiger. This is an amazing invention. This toy has made almost all of us crazy to solve it. So that was all for this video. I'm sure you have liked the video. So please do hit that like button and do subscribe to the channel. We will meet at the next one. Until then, bye.